Hello and welcome to another cleaning video. I've decided to film this short video just to show you guys how I get rid of the hard water spots on toilets. On my business we have this move out cleaning, and the toilet was full of mold and hard water. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove that hard water. And I'm going to begin by spraying the toilet with a disinfectant, and we're going to let it sit. And I'm going to be using a brush and the toilet bowl cleaner, and I'm gonna scrub that toilet and get rid of all the mold. And once we're done with that, we're gonna remove the hard water on the toilet. Okay, and now we're gonna proceed and remove that hard water. And what I do is get rid of all the water on the toilet, and what I do is just add water like from my mop, and that would make all the water from the toilet to go away, so that you have that toilet clean, and you're gonna be able to remove that mold or that hard water easier. And what I'm using here is a Pumice Stone. That would help you remove all that hard water. Okay, and the way you're gonna use this stone, simply you're gonna get this stone wet first so you avoid scratching the toilet, but simply rub the stone over the lines, and with a soft rubbing you'll be able to remove that hard water from the toilet. Make sure you wet that stone first, because you don't want to scratch the toilet. And do not use the pumice stone to clean marble or laminate, plastic or fiberglass toilets, because this will scratch those type of toilets. Maybe you can do a little test first in a side of the toilet where you can't see much, just to make sure you're not scratching it. Like I mentioned before, make sure that stone it's wet. I got my stone wet, and this will help you get rid of this hard water without using any strong chemicals that really smell really bad and they're not healthy for you. So I find that using this stone does all the job. So I use this stone on every cleaning or every time that I need to remove hard water from toilets or from the tubs. And now this toilet looks much better. I am just gonna finish wiping this toilet down, and of course finish the rest of the bathroom. We're gonna do the sink, the tub, and then just sweeping and mopping. I really hope that this video is helpful for you guys. Please, if you find this video helpful, give us a like. Also, if you're new in my channel, please subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting a lot of those videos. I own a cleaning business, so I often do this type of cleanings, and I like to share with you guys some tips and tricks. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.